How to deactivate or delete your Facebook account. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can delete or deactivate your Facebook account. So in order to do this, the first thing that you will need to do is click onto these three lines present at the top right corner. Now once you will do, you can see the menu right this. Now in this menu, click onto this settings gear icon at the top and it will lead you to settings and privacy. Now here click onto this meta account center at the top. Now within the meta account center, you will see under the account settings this second option that says personal details. So simply click onto this personal details option, and now in the personal details option you will need to click onto this account ownership and control, from where you can manage your data, modify your legacy contact, and deactivate or delete your accounts and profiles as well. So click here, and then from here you will have this deactivation or deletion option. So choose this, and from here choose the account that you want to delete or deactivate, and then you can choose any of these options either to deactivate or delete, and then click on to continue. After specifying some of the reasons to do this, and also by typing in your password, your account will be successfully deactivated or deleted upon your particular type of request. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.